Welcome to my channel. Virgin Media Booster not working. 1. Check power connection. Ensure the Virgin Media Booster is plugged into a working power outlet and the power light is on. 2. Inspect placement. Place the booster halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi to ensure it can receive a strong signal. 3. Restart the booster. Unplug the booster from the outlet, wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. 4. Restart the router. Power off your Virgin Media router, wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back on to refresh the network. Five. Ensure proper pairing. Press the WPS button on your router, then press the WPS button on the booster to reconnect them. 6. Check LED indicators. Refer to the booster manual to interpret the LED lights, which indicate the connection status. 7. Update firmware. Log into the booster's admin panel via its IP address to check for and install firmware updates. 8. Test a different location. Move the booster closer to the router to see if distance or interference is causing the issue. Thank you for watching.